instant skin whitening remedy. This is a very simple trick that you can use to get fair skin instantly at home. For this, you will need half lemon, 1 ENO sachet. Lemon. This citrus fruit is a good source of vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. It also has antioxidant, antibacterial, antifungal, and astringent properties that help improve the appearance and condition of your skin. ENO. ENO is rich in sodium bicarbonate and it is very good to balance your skin's natural pH level, and it also helps to make your skin fair. It also reduces aging signs from your skin like wrinkles and dark spots. It acts as an instant remedy to get fair skin. Steps to do. In a fresh bowl, take ENO powder. Now, take half lemon and dip in ENO powder as shown in video. Apply on your skin with the lemon in circular motions for 1 minute and then let it sit for 2 minutes, then wash with normal water. You can see difference instantly after cleaning area. But make a note that you can use this treatment only once in 15 to 20 days. Regular use will do more harm than good. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.